What's up guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my 2018 Mac Mini. But hold up, you might be curious, wondering why I got a Mac Mini now when it was released in 2018 and everyone is talking about the new Mac Pro. Well, stick around because I guess I do have the answer for that. I had a 2015 MacBook Air when I started on YouTube in January of 2019. I wasn't planning on upgrading anytime soon, but I suddenly realized that my ability to create, edit, and deliver great content was limited. The longer my Final Cut timelines were, or the more effects, transition, and audio I add to my videos, the longer my render and export times got. I figured it would be a good idea to get a MacBook Pro that would fix everything. That wasn't the case. I don't consider myself a pro presently, but I'm much more knowledgeable and I do understand that a dual-core CPU and Iris Plus graphics wasn't sufficient to render and export my videos at the speed that I wanted. At this point, I had already bought a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. After several hours of research and watching YouTube videos, I decided that going with a 2018 Mac Mini would be my best choice because I could get great performance on a budget. However, budget is subjective, but I guess we will leave that for another video. So I picked up a 3.0 GHz 6-core i5 model with 8 GB of DDR4 memory, Intel UHD graphics 630, and 256 SSD storage from Best Buy. Enough of my storytelling, let's get to the unboxing. The 2018 Mac Mini unboxing experience is no different. It had the regular plastic wrapping that I removed off camera. It was in this simple square box that lets you know that the Mac Mini is square in shape. When you take the Mac Mini out of the box, you can see that it was properly packaged just like any other Apple product. The device was covered with this protective plastic that lets you know that it is new. Below that is a nice little envelope with the necessary documentation. In a little slot to the top of the box sits the power cord, and upon unraveling it, I realized that the power cord was flat. Personally, I think that's a nice touch. I must say that I like the space gray finish of the Mac Mini, as I think it will give a subtle feel to any setup. The front of the Mac Mini has no ports, just a little light to show that it's on. Now we take a look at the best part of the Mac Mini, the I/O. This is the main reason why a lot of people buy this device, the I/O. And guys, as you can see, we have 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. I repeat, 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So daisy chaining is definitely supported. Next to that, we have a HDMI 2.0 port, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, Ethernet for easy wired internet connection, and a power input to the far left. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot to let you guys know that the power button is also located at the back of the Mac Mini. At the bottom, there is this black cover that pulls air in around the edge and expels it out the back vent for rapid cooling. Setting up the Mac Mini is as simple as setting up any other Mac, but it would be a good idea to use a wired mouse and keyboard to go through the setup process. The Mac Mini was made by Apple in 2018, so it comes with macOS Mojave instead of macOS Catalina. So you might just need to spare about 30 minutes for the update process. After the Mac Mini reboots, everything will be silky smooth except for one thing, and that's the graphics performance. The internal Intel graphics is not great for 4K video editing or fast rendering and exports in Final Cut Pro. Luckily, the Mac Mini does support eGPUs. That's an easy solution, but that I will definitely address in another video. Personally, I think if you're thinking about getting a Mac Mini, go ahead. You won't regret it. Just don't buy the Core i3 version. So guys, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Click the bell to receive future notifications. Thanks for watching, and until next time, it's your boy Rayan here with Home of Tech. Peace.